Good morning to all. How are you? I am fine after a long day. That I think I am coming here for taking a class actually, and because it's the very much in-session training is going on in our locality, and that's why actually this I was not able to take the classes. And very warm welcome again. And I think in this lecture just we will solve different questions from the straight line chapter. Okay, and it is for class 11. Okay. So I think the 9 lectures were already prepared, and it is the 10th lecture from the straight line chapter. So I think the 9 lectures are very important for the board standard exams, and this 10th lecture is also important for the board standard exams. Okay, so those questions will be solved in this lecture that are all important questions for the board level exam, that means the final exams. Okay, so you should try it hard. You should solve this type of questions purportedly, so that you can get the common questions in your final exams also. Okay, so just write the first question, today's first question. Okay, just write the first question. Find the equation of the straight line which passes through the point. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point, 4,3 and is -4,3 and is such that the portion of it between the axes, portion of it between the axes is divided by the point, in the ratio 5:3. That means a straight line is there, and which is lying between the coordinate axes. So as I told you, whenever this intercepted word is used and this coordinate axis word is used, then the which form actually this should be used here? X by a. That means intercepting form of a straight line. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. Because here you can see intercepted between the axes is there. Okay, so this word, because of this word, I think we're coming to know that here in the solution actually the formation of the straight line will be used just like x by a plus y by b equals to 1. ओके, ये ही फॉर्म आपको यूज करना है. तो लेट इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन, यही फॉर्म आपको यूज करना है. स्ट्रेट लाइन x by a y by b equals to 1, and it is your equation number 1. Okay, so according to this question, find the equation of the straight line, okay, passing through the point -4,3 and is such that the portion between the axes is divided by the point, by this point actually, okay, which is given in the question, by this point with the ratio 5:3. That means if you draw the figure, the required line, that means this one, okay, this line intercepted between the coordinate axes. So, and that's why actually just we had assumed this equation formation like x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Okay, equals to 1. So from this part we have this idea, the intersecting points on the axis a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Okay, it is the formation actually. Okay, and on this line one point is there, and this point is -4,3. So this line divided by this point with the ratio 5:3. That means here the ratio is given. So if the ratio is given in the question, then which formation should be used here? The sectional formula formation will be used. Okay, because in the coordinate geometry only one formula is there where this ratio related concepts are given. Okay, m and n रेशियो रिलेटेड एक ही फॉर्मूला, एक ही फॉर्मेशन आपके पास है और वो होता है सेक्शनल फॉर्मूला. ओके, mx2 प्लस nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Only this formula you have. Okay, so this is a summary of this question. That means concisely we can say a straight line is there, and that was assumed also x by a plus y by b equals 1 because this straight line is lying between the coordinate axes. So that means we were bound, okay, to assume this type of equations, this type of formations as well. Okay, after getting this intercepting form from the actually concept which was discussed in the very beginning, that the intersecting points on x-axis and y-axis respectively are a, 0 and 0, b. -4, 3 is a point which is lying on the straight line and which divides the straight line with the ratio 5:3. That is the main concept. Okay, now you need to find the equation, the perfect equation of the straight line, because that was the assumption. No, now you need to find the values of a and b, and after that you will get the perfect straight line equation. Okay, so just write this. Just write this. Here, this A and B. Here, AB line, AB divided by the point -4, 3 in the ratio 5:3. So, using sectional formula, sectional formula, x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so x means what? The intersecting point coordinate. I think in the question this intersecting point is already given. So in place of x we can use -4, and in place of y we can use 3. So -4 mx2, m and n 5:3. That means m का वैल्यू 5, n का वैल्यू यहाँ पर 3 होता है. So that means 5x2. x2 मतलब क्या होता है? ये है x1 y1, ये है x2 y2. ओके, सीरियल वाइज जो पहले रहता है x1 y1 x2 y2. तो x2 कितना होता है? 0 प्लस n into x1, that means a, by m plus n, that means 5 plus 3. Okay, so here and here I think my2, that means m means what? 5 into y2 means b plus n y1, that means n means यहाँ पर 3 into 0 by m plus n, that means 5 plus 3. Okay, so I think from this concept we will get the values of a and b. Okay, so now so here 3a equals to -4 into 8. That means 3a equals to -32. a का वैल्यू यहाँ पर -32 by 3. ओके, ये a का वैल्यू है. Similarly 5b equals to 3 into 8. That means 5b equals to 24. That means b equals to 24 by 5. ये है b का वैल्यू. So this is the values of a and b. Now if you want to get the perfect straight line equation, then this a and b value should be put on the assumption, on the assumed straight line. I think that was the assumed straight line, no? That was not the perfect specified straight line. Okay, that was the assumption. So if you want to get the real and this perfect straight line equation, then I think you need to find the unknowns values. So unknowns are a and b. Okay, and x and y should have been there because the equation it is. Okay, equation तो है, x y तो रहना चाहिए, a और b का वैल्यू निकालना था, हम लोगों ने निकाल लिया. So required straight line x by a means minus 32 by 3 plus y by b means 24 by 5 equals to 1. Now 3x by minus 32 plus 5y by 24 equals to 1. Then just you can complete this. Okay, you can stop here. Okay, and also I think you can solve these equations by taking this LCM. Okay, no need. Okay, because you need to find the equation of the straight line only. Okay, now next question. Find the equation of the straight line which passes through the point 1, minus 7. Find the equation of the straight line. Next question, second question is, okay, find the equation of the straight line. Just if you want to actually this in the straight line chapter, in the geometrical chapter, in any geometrical chapter, the basic concepts and the top actually these formations and the many more things are there. Okay, so just you need to remember all the things and all the concepts and all the theories and all the actually small concepts. It should be remembered. Okay, because we don't know where actually this the normal the formation, the different types of formation, different basic concepts will be used. Okay, anytime and anyhow just you need to use these things. Okay, so every time just you actually this all the things and all the concepts regarding the geometry, all the formulas regarding geometry should be stocked here. Okay, so that you can use anytime, anywhere while you are solving these geometrical chapter questions. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2. Find the equation of the straight line which passes through the point. Find equation of the straight line. Find equation of straight line which passes through. कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, कैलकुलेशन में हो सकता है इधर उधर थोड़ा हो जाए, है कि नहीं? तो ये तो हो ही सकता है, 2 की जगह 3 लिख दिया या फिर प्लस की जगह माइनस ऐसा हो गया, बस हो सकता है ऐसा मे भी. ओके, तो पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट P 1, -7. 1, -7. Okay, 1, -7 and meets the axis at A and B respectively, and meets the axis at A and B. That means this straight line, this required straight line intersects the x-axis and y-axis both, because meets the axis at A and B. Okay, axis at A and B 2 पॉइंट में मीट करता है. That means x-axis को A पॉइंट में करता है, y-axis को B पॉइंट में करता है. So according to the previous concepts, as you all know that if a straight line meets the axis, both the axis, x-axis and y-axis, then you need to use the intercepting form of a straight line. X by A plus y by B equals to 1. So A and B. Okay, and B respectively, so that respectively so that 4AP minus 3BP, okay, equals to 0. So here the required straight line, and this required straight line meets the coordinate axis at 2 points, and this point is A and this point is B, obviously. So I think it is the intercepting form of a straight line. So let us assume x by A plus y by B equals to 1. There is only one way that we have. Let straight line x by A plus y by b equals to 1. Equation number 1. P point 1 comma minus 7 divides this line. That means a P point actually lying on this line, P1 comma minus 7. This point lying on this line, and this point divides this AB line with some ratio, but ratio is not given directly. But one thing is given, that you can see this length is AP and this length is BP. Okay, just like this. Divide this. So 4AP minus 3BP equals to 0. तो यहां से देखो 4AP equals to 3BP लिख सकते हैं. So that means AP by BP क्या लिख सकते हैं? देखो तो 3/4 लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? तो AP is to BP मतलब AP is to BP, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 3:4. तो रेशियो मिल गया ना, देखो. Now you have got the ratio here. So that means this P point divides this line with the ratio 3:4. Now ratio is known, end points are also known, because according to the concept, this end points are also known, a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Now you can continue just like your previous solutions. प्रीवियस सॉल्यूशन जैसे किया है हम लोगों ने, वैसे आप लोग कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. सो यूजिंग सेक्शनल फॉर्मूला x इक्वल्स टू mx2 प्लस nx1 बाई m प्लस n. सो x के जगह क्या पुट करेंगे? 1. mx2, m क्या है यहां पर? 3:4. m का वैल्यू 3, ये होता है m और ये होता है n. सो 3 इंटू x2 प्लस 4 इंटू x1 बाई m प्लस n, दैट मीन्स 7. सो आई थिंक 4a इक्वल्स टू 7, दैट मीन्स a इक्वल्स टू 7/4. a का वैल्यू आपको मिल गया. सिमिलरली वी कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ b हियर. ओके, सो again y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. ये सेक्शनल फॉर्मूला है. a और b का वैल्यू तो आपको निकालना है. अगर आपने a और b का वैल्यू नहीं निकाला तो ये परफेक्ट स्ट्रेट लाइन के इक्वेशन तो नहीं मिलेगा ना. तो y equals to I think -7 my2, that means 3 into y2 means b plus n y1, this means 0, that means 7. So that means 3b equals to -49. So b equals to -49/3. That is the value of b. Now put these values in equation number 1. So from 1 you will get the final equation. So from 1, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एग्जाम्स के लिए. जस्ट डू इट केयरफुली. फ्रॉम 1, x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So that means 4x by 7 minus 3y by 49 equals to 1. That is the final equation of the straight line. Okay? So very important questions. Next question. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. Find the equation of the line. Next question लिखो. Find the equation of the line. ये जितना क्वेश्चन आज हम लोग करेंगे वो सब क्वेश्चंस एक से एक इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एग्जाम्स के लिए. ठीक है? तो फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट. Find the equation of the line which passing through 2,2 and sum of intercepts. Now here it is the intercept word is used. Intercept is 9. Intercepts is used, that means let straight line, let straight line x by a plus y by b equals to 1. That is your equation number 1. And the intercepts are a and b. So x intercept मतलब क्या होता है a, y intercept लिख के रखो, जो एग्जामिनर है उसको भी फायदा मिल जाएगा. So y intercept is b. According to the question, sum of the intercept is 9. That means a plus b equals to 9. Okay, so this is your equation number 2. Since equation 1, ये जो लाइन हम लोगों ने एज्यूम किया है एक पॉइंट से पास होता है, पासिंग थ्रू 2, 2. So 2 by a plus 2 by b equals to 1. That means 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to half. So a plus b by ab equals to half. So that means a plus b equals to ab by 2. Okay, that is your equation number 3. So here ab equals to 9, a plus b equals to 9, and here a plus b equals to ab by 2. Okay, now comparing, our prime target is to find the values of a and b so that we can get the particular equation. Okay, particular straight line equation. So anyhow, just we are trying to find the values of a and b here. So comparing 2 and 3, here you can see in both the equation a plus b equals to something. That means 9 equals to ab by 2. That means ab equals to 18. ab equals to 18. Now it is your equation number 4. So now you have ab equals to 18, a plus b equals to 9. So एक फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं जिसमें a प्लस बी का वैल्यू और ए बी का वैल्यू हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. ये है a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4ab. सो a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, दैट मींस 9 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 into 18. Okay, so a minus b whole square equals to 9 minus 81 minus 72. So a minus b equals to 3. So it is your equation number 5. You can use the plus minus sign also, okay, because the whole thing square is, so you can use the plus minus also. So plus minus, you can use plus minus, no problem. Okay, so now a plus b equals to 9 and a minus b equals to plus 3 and minus 3. Okay, so now solving these two equations you will get the final values of a and b here. Now solving equation 2 and 5. Now solving 2 and 5. So a plus b equals to 9, a minus b equals to plus 3 लेके करते हैं, plus b minus b cancel, twice a equals to 12, a equals to 6. So b equals to, a plus b अगर 9 होता है, a का वैल्यू 6 है तो b का वैल्यू 3 होगा. So from 1, okay, फाइनल आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन के इक्वेशन मिल गया. फ्रॉम 1 x by a प्लस y by b इक्वल्स टू 1. ये है एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के इक्वेशन. तो a प्लस b इक्वल्स टू 9, a माइनस b इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3 अगर है, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस 3 है ना, तो दोनों को निकालना पड़ेगा. ये ट्वाइस a इक्वल्स टू 6, दैट मींस a इक्वल्स टू 3, सो b इक्वल्स टू ऑब्वियसली 6 होगा, है कि नहीं. सो फ्रॉम 1 from 1, x by 3 plus y by 6 equals to 1. So these are the straight line equations. I think the straight line equations will be like that. In two forms the straight line equations are being found. Okay. Next, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2, 1. उसके बाद लिखो क्वेश्चन. Just write the next question. Just write the next question here. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2, 1. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2, 1, and bisecting the portion of the straight line, 3x minus 5y equals to 15. 3x minus 5y equals to 15, lying between the axis. Okay, so that means you have to find the equation of the straight line which is passing through the point this 2, 1. Okay, bisecting the portion of the straight line, this 3x minus 5y equals to 15, lying between the coordinate axis. Okay, so here actually the figure will be like that. A straight line equation, just like given 3x minus 5y equals to 15, ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. सो 3x उसको अगर मैं पूरा 15 से डिवाइड करूं 5y by 15. ओके, सो एक काम कर सकते हैं, यहां पर प्लस देके यहां पर माइनस दे सकते हैं, इक्वल्स टू 1. सो दैट मीन्स x by 5 plus y by minus 3 equals to 1. It is your equation number 1. So this straight line lying between the coordinate axes, just you can see the straight line this lying between the axes. So that means this straight line formation will be like that. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. Okay, so this straight line formation is x by 5 plus y by minus 3 equals to 1. So these points are 5, 0 and this point is 0, minus 3. Okay. So this point is A and this point is B. So here A 5, 0 and B 0, minus 3 lying on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Okay. Now you need to find the equation of another straight line which is passing through the point 2, 1. Okay, just here, just this one, this line, and this equation, this line equation should be found, and this straight line passing through the point 2, 1. तो ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन पास हो रहा है 2, 1 से, वो क्वेश्चन में बोला गया कि ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन है इस स्ट्रेट लाइन को ऑब्वियसली इस पॉइंट में डिवाइड मतलब इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. अब ये जो पॉइंट है ये देखो, थ्रू द पॉइंट 2, 1 एंड बाइसेक्टिंग द पोर्शन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन. दैट मींस ये जो पॉइंट है, ये जो लाइन है, इस लाइन को बाइसेक्ट करता है किस पॉइंट में, इस पॉइंट में. ठीक है, तो यहां पर देखो ये इसको अगर मैं x1 y1 ले लूं, p ले लूं. ठीक है, नाउ यू नीड टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन के इक्वेशन आपको निकालना है. ओके, सो यहां पर देखो, सिंस रिक्वायर्ड लाइन मतलब जो लाइन हम लोग निकालने वाले हैं, रिक्वायर्ड लाइन bisecting the AB line at P point में bisect करता है. So using midpoint theorem, can I find the coordinates of P here? So using midpoint theorem, midpoint theorem क्या है? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. ये है मिडल पॉइंट्स का कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने का रास्ता. ओके, सो नाउ if you want to find the coordinate of P, then just see x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that means 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is the coordinate of the point P. So P point क्या निकला? 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay? So that means ये P point आपको मिल गया फाइनली. P point क्या मिला? 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. ये इस पॉइंट का नाम तुम कुछ दे सकते हो, A B C दे दो. Okay, I think you need to find the equation of CP लाइन का इक्वेशन आपको निकालना है. So equation of C पॉइंट भी पता है, P पॉइंट भी आपने निकाल लिया है. तो दो पॉइंट अगर पता हो आपको, अगर किसी भी स्ट्रेट लाइन का दो पॉइंट पता हो, तो उस स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन निकालना कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होता है? जस्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स. इक्वेशन ऑफ सीपी व्हिच जो पास करता है, पासिंग थ्रू पापा यहाँ जाओ 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 2, 1. तो दिए दो पॉइंट है, तो फॉर्मूला कौन सा होता है? y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x minus x1, x2 minus x1. ये फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों ने किया है बहुत. तो बस दो पॉइंट पता है तो बिठा दो. y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, x minus x1, x2 minus x1. बस. So y plus 3 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2, x minus 5 by 2 और ये 1 by 2. तो आप उसको कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा कर लो, मिल जाएगा आपको फाइनल आंसर. सो दैट मीन्स y plus 3 by 2 और यहां पर होता है 5 by 2, x minus 5 by 2 और यहां होता है हाफ. ये 2 तो नीचे ऐसे कैंसिल. So y plus 3 by 2 equals to 5 into x minus 5 by 2. That means y plus 3 by 2 equals to 5x minus. So that means 5x minus y minus 25 by 2 minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. That means 5x minus y minus 28 by 2 equals to 0. That means 5x minus y minus 14 equals to 0. That is the final equation of the straight line. Okay? There is the final equation of the straight line as well. Then find the equation of the straight line. Next question लिखो. Next question. Find. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line which cuts off equal, which makes equal positive intercepts intercepts positive intercepts on the axis whose product is 25. Product is 25. So that means here intercepts word is used. Okay, so let equation of the straight line x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Equation of the straight line x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Since this line makes equal intercept, according to the question that you can see, equal positive intercepts are there. That means intercepts मतलब कौन सा होता है? ये a और b का वैल्यूज होता है. तो यहां पर क्वेश्चन में बोला गया कि इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट्स बनाया गया. दैट मींस a और b सेम है. सो since this line makes equal intercepts, so a equals to b. So equation 1 जो इक्वेशन 1 है उसमें x by a plus y by b की जगह भी हम लोग a यूज कर सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 दे दो. है अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन product of the intercepts is 25. That means a into a equals to 25. Intercepts तो यहां पर कौन सा है? a और a. देखो यहां पर देख तो a square equals to 25. और पॉजिटिव इंटरसेप्ट्स बोला गया ना, पॉजिटिव इंटरसेप्ट्स. तो दैट मींस a equals to प्लस माइनस 5 में ओनली 5 होगा, ओनली प्लस 5 ही होगा, माइनस 5. वी शुड नॉट कंसीडर दिस माइनस 5 बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन पॉजिटिव इंटरसेप्ट्स आर देयर. If the positive word would not be given, then you could use this plus minus 5 and the minus 5 also. Okay, so from 2 x by 5 plus y by 5 equals to 1. That is the final equation of the straight line. This is the required line equation. Okay. Now next we are moving to a very new concept, and that is the normal form of a straight line. Give the heading normal form of a straight line. Normal form of a straight line. Normal और perpendicular form of a straight line ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. Give the heading normal form of a straight line. Straight line or perpendicular form of a straight line. अगर मैं फिगर ड्रॉ करूं, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है जो ऐसे लाइंग बिटवीन द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस. ओके, और इसका इक्वेशन हम लोग को पता है. ठीक है, और नहीं भी पता है तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ये ए है, ये बी है. अब इस लाइन के ऊपर अगर मैं ओरिजिन से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करूं, ओरिजिन से ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू यूज दिस नॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस फॉर्मेशन. सो नॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, दैट मींस ये जो पॉइंट है 0,0 है. सो ये ओ है और ये सपोज P है. ओके, सो ये जो OP लाइन का इक्वेशन होगा वो कैसे निकलेगा? देखो, अगर ये जो परपेंडिकुलर है, ये अगर x एक्सिस के साथ अल्फा एंगल बनाता है, अल्फा एंगल अगर बनाएगा, तो नॉर्मल फॉर्म इसको बोला जाता है नॉर्मल फॉर्म ओपी लाइन का इक्वेशन जो है वो नॉर्मल फॉर्म में आप निकालेंगे. कैसे? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p, where alpha equals to angle with x axis. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको फिगर में, ठीक है। p परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, इट मींस ये जो लेंथ है ये p होता है, ठीक है। सो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम o टू p, दैट मींस ये लेंथ p है। तो p का इक्वेशन क्या होगा, x cos अल्फा प्लस y sin अल्फा इक्वल्स टू p, ठीक है। अच्छा, एक नॉर्मल सा कॉन्सेप्ट, अगर नॉर्मल से एक क्वेश्चन अगर करें हम लोग, फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन, काम करो ऐसे नहीं, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन व्हिच इज, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन, एक लिखो, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ, एक क्वेश्चन लिखो, जस्ट राइट ऑन क्वेश्चन, find the equation of the straight line, find the equation of the straight line which is at a distance of, which is at a distance of 3 unit from the origin, and perpendicular from the origin, and perpendicular from the origin makes 30 degree with x axis, okay, 30 degree with x axis। तो आपको इक्वेशन, फाइंड द इक्वेशन द स्ट्रेट लाइन निकालना है। तो यहां पर देखो, जब आपको ये वर्ड दिखाई देगा कि ओरिजिन से परपेंडिकुलर एक ड्रॉ किया गया है, दैट परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन, दैट this part denotes that the equation of the straight line will be in the form of normal form of a straight line, okay। so जब भी आप ओरिजिन से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, दैट मींस नॉर्मल फॉर्म आपको यूज करना है। यही लाइन हर क्वेश्चन में दिखाई देगा आपको। तो दिस आर द कीवर्ड्स, and as I told you, just if you are solving the straight line and the geometrical questions, then you need to remember the keywords. For which keywords, that which type of formations are going to be used, that should be remembered and that should be fixed first, okay। so let equation of the straight line क्या एज्यूम करना है, cos अल्फा y sin अल्फा, क्योंकि नॉर्मल फॉर्म तो यही होता है सब। अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, अल्फा तो यहाँ पर 30 डिग्री है और p आई थिंक 3 यूनिट है। सो बस बिठा दो, x cos 30 प्लस y sin 30 इक्वल्स टू 3। दैट मीन्स x cos 30 डिग्री मतलब क्या होगा, √3/2 plus y sin 30, that means half, equals to 3. That means √3x plus y equals to 6. That is the final equation of the straight line, okay। so why are we solving the different questions and the different formation of the straight line? Because the straight line chapter, it is very, very important for mathematics, for physics, for chemistry as well. Because everywhere that you will see in mathematics, everywhere that you will see the different types of concepts of straight lines will be used in the different chapters as well. So that's why I think we didn't start this sets, relation, and function chapter. We had started this straight line chapters first, so that you can be very much confident in the physics, chemistry subjects as well. Okay, so and that's why just I have started this thing chapter. Okay, I could start this I could have started this sets relation function, very simple chapter, okay, but I didn't start these things because of your conveniences, so that you can solve the different solutions and different questions from the physics and chemistry subjects as well. And the most importantly, the very important chapters of mathematics will be solved. Okay, so if you are actually this if you have any query, if you have any doubts regarding this straight line chapter and the different formation, different types of questions are being solved in this from this chapter, just you can ask me. Okay, so this telegram group link will be given in this lecture, just you can see the description box. Okay, so इस लेक्चर में सिर्फ इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. Okay, just till then stay safe and stay healthy. And if you like my videos, if you like my lectures, then please subscribe, like and share my channel. Okay, and so that my channel will be grown up more and more. Okay, so that means actually this if your supports will be with me, then anything can be achieved, anything can be done, no problem. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye and Jai Hind.